Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. Welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. Student, in the last video we have teach about society. Now we will start with the next paragraph. What is meant by society? Society includes all people, man, woman, grown-ups, old people, young children. Our families are a part of the society. Society also includes different groups, institutions, and organizations. The interrelationship and interactions between the people, their dependence on one another and sharing also form a part of the society. Society is not simply a mob or crowd of people. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. Now, society means it includes all people, man, woman, grown up, and old people, young children. Now, society also include groups, institution, organization. When you stay in society, there is interrelationship, means the way in which each of two or more things is related to the other, and there are more interaction between the people. We also share lots of things with the people in the society. Now, society is what it means. People come together to achieve certain common objectives. Okay, children. Now, let's go to the next paragraph. In order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security, the society has to create a permanent system. Without such a system, the day to day affair of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. For example, agriculture is essential to fulfill the needs for food. Various institutions must be created to perform all the functions related to agriculture. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created, which includes factories to manufacture tools and equipments used for farming, banks to provide loans to the farmers, a market for the goods produced, etc. The existence of many such systems makes a society stable. In the next chapter, we shall learn about the diversity in the Indian society. Now, as we all know, our basic needs is food, clothing, shelter, and education plus security. Also, now in order to fulfill all the needs of the society plus for ourselves has to create a permanent system, like now agricultural is very essential to fulfill our daily needs of food. So society has to create many institutions to perform this activity in the agriculture for proper agricultural work. We need factories, manufacturing tools and equipment which are used for farming. Now to purchase all this we need कैपिटल, मतलब हम लोगों को पैसा चाहिए सब बड़े बड़े इक्विपमेंट्स को खरीदने के लिए. सो देयर आर सम बैंक्स विच प्रोवाइड्स लोन टू द फार्मर्स टू कंडक्ट this activity for smooth functioning. So these all things are the society has to find the system and make the society stable. Okay children, I hope you understand what I have teach to you in this lesson. Here we complete the lesson of civics lesson number 1. Thank you.